Indonesian Chief Engineer, Dynamic Positioning, Anchor Handling, Tax Supply, Offshore, Chief Engineer, $450 per day to embark. For the different offshore ships that Candina has these clients, we're looking forward for these chief engineers, 5 years previous experience, dynamic positioning, DP, anchor handling, tax supply, $450 urgent, West Africa, Arabia, Dubai, Kuwait, all these countries that are in the oil production. We are requiring these chief engineers around 5 anchor handling and 5 DP. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Apply crew inspector, very good English required, that's all the crew is. International is a huge company. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.